Safari 4x4, you know, they've been the king of the Ford Ranger snorkel for more than 15 years. So alongside the much anticipated launch of the new next-gen Ford Ranger and Everest with a beautiful new 3-litre turbo diesel engine, Safari 4x4 put their heads down and pushed their research, development and manufacturing teams to deliver you this right now. Their globally respected and much loved V-SPEC Snorkel to suit these Ford icons, to help protect and feed cool, clean, efficient airflow to these highly sophisticated new donks. A raised, watertight, rammed airflow into your engine, designed to prevent the damage and havoc caused by water ingestion, water crossings, flood, high tides, minimise dust ingestion, promote cooler air intake, and the water separating air ram will remove water particles from the incoming airstream. And being V-SPEC simply means it's been designed, engineered and airflow bench tested to deliver the required amount of airflow for your OE or standard air filter assembly. And that critically important snorkel to your OEM airbox integration is made by this CAD designed and engineered EPDM, high quality rubber hose, if you like, that'll ensure a really perfect seal. Really, really robust fitment, but look at this, how good is the snorkel to body fit? Perfect. And this lovely form is manufactured using Safari's own industrial spec UV stabilised polyethylene, and it comes with stainless steel fittings and fixtures to withstand the elements. And that's because Safari intends that the snorkel lasts the same lifetime as the vehicle. And yep, my favourite part, all these snorkels designed, developed and manufactured right here in Australia by a 100% Aussie family-owned business who are the snorkel people and have always been. So if you're serious about your next-gen Ford Ranger or your new Everest, well, I'd suggest you go with the brand that's been serious about bringing you the very best product.